don't let others define your ceiling. The world is your oyster, so really lean into AI, learn everything that you can about it, really educate yourself. Procurement is not being replaced, it's being elevated. So take this opportunity, elevate yourself and shine.
Roxy, welcome to Horizon.
Thank you very much.
And congratulations on being named as a CPONext. How do you feel?
Very humbled, very happy, very grateful. Thank you for Zycus for hosting us and having us here. If it wasn't for us going along the journey with Zycus, I wouldn't have this recognition today. So,
I'm sure all of us have seen some brilliant mentors in our time and they help us grow. Can you think of anybody and one piece of advice your mentor gave you that really helped you?
100%. So, majority of my career has been in a male-dominated industry. I've either been in mining or in construction or in infrastructure builds. So for me, it is very challenging. I've always been told that I couldn't have a family and a career. I was told that I was a female KPI just ticking the box, and that's why I was promoted. So it was always an uphill battle for me throughout my career. I've surrounded myself with some great leaders. One of them, for me, my main mentor, has been Luis Sapakaya. So I've worked with Luis in oil and gas many years ago. We've kept in contact over the years, and then more recently, he's asked me to join him again in mining. So I'm with him again as a true mentor. He's shown me leadership time and time again. The biggest piece of advice that I think I've taken from him is really credibility is learned in the hardest times. And it's what you do with those failures, and it's how you get back up each time. It's not a born leadership thing, it's something that you really have to earn, and it's getting up every time you fall down and showing your team how to lead.
Is there a piece of advice as a CPONext you would like to share with the viewers, youngsters who are building their career in procurement right now?
Yeah, sure. So I've led multi-billion-dollar projects all around the globe, and not all of them have gone smoothly. There's been many setbacks. So it's really, for me, growth, not letting failure define you and being able to bounce back. So my advice to others is to use your failures as a journey of growth and really every now and then look in the rearview mirror and make sure that you give yourself a pat on the back for continuing and see how far you've come.
How excited are you individually and as an organization about Agentic AI? Let's say on a scale of 1 to 10.
Oh, we would be a 9 to a 10. I personally am a 10. Myself and my team need Agentic AI tomorrow. We need it immediately. There's so many platforms that are available to us now that will help us elevate my team and be value creators for the business.
How do you see the role of procurement, in a sense, changing because of Agentic AI?
Yeah, so working through my team is more in a pre-award space. So for me, it's more process admin that we're going to reduce, and we're going to elevate those within a strategic capacity. So taking away the tactical and the transactional space, the paper pushing, and getting my team out of the weeds. That for me is something that will add huge value. So being able to then influence the business and build those relationships as opposed to worrying about data. The data will already be there for us.
So you saw a bunch of things at Horizon. What stood out for you?
Oh, for me, Andre's presentation for SEQ Water. We have a lot of synergies with SEQ by way of their transition and where they've come, so that really stood out for me. And secondly is the peer conversations that I've had here, the learnings that I've taken, being able to help others who are further along in their journey, that are further behind in their journey, and where we've been able to take lessons learned from others who are further ahead than we are.
Speaking to a peer today who is evaluating a similar transformation, are there any pieces of advice for them?
So for me, Zycus is giving us better visibility. It's data analytics that we've never had before, the spend analysis that we don't currently have. I don't have a team of people to currently go in and dig for that data. We're creating it at a very high level. So having that visibility to us is key, and it's real-time data. It's manual touch points from my team. So the agents are doing all of the work for us and pulling it through, and we're just then analysing that and strategically applying that to the business. So it's that capability shift for me. The software isn't just technology, it's a real transition for the business.
What is that one piece of advice that you would like to share with them?
One piece of advice for me is don't let others define your ceiling. The world is your oyster, so really lean into AI, learn everything that you can about it, really educate yourself. Procurement is not being replaced, it's being elevated. So take this opportunity, elevate yourself and shine.